Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Higgsfield AI for free so you can create professional cinematic videos from just a single photo. Higgsfield is a powerful tool that brings static images to life with realistic human motion and Hollywood-style camera movements without needing any complex editing software. To start using Higgsfield for free, you should visit the official website and sign up for a new account which gives you a daily quota of 10 free credits to experiment with. Once you are logged in, you should click the Create button at the top of the dashboard and select the video option to open the workspace. Your first step is to upload a high quality photo of a person or a character that you want to animate, making sure the face is clearly visible. After your image is uploaded, you can choose from over 50 cinematic presets like dolly zooms or drone shots to define how the camera should move. You then enter a simple text prompt describing the scene and the emotion you want to see, such as a character smiling or walking in the rain. Before generating, you can turn on the prompt enhancement feature, which automatically expand your ideas into more detailed description that the AI understands better. When you are ready, just click the generate button and wait a few minutes for the system to process your video into a high quality clip. While the free plan is great for daily practice, you should remember that it includes a limited number of generations and you only have access to the standard AI models. If you need more advanced features like removing watermarks or using more powerful engines like